Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am decorating the week of November 20th, and I know it's Thanksgiving in the US. Not Thanksgiving here, but I thought it was one last chance for me to use some fall inspired stickers, and these are from According to Allie, so her fall blooms, and you can use the code Karina10 to get 10% off all of According to Allie's stickers. I am in awe of her artwork, but also Allie is just one of the kindest, most hilarious people ever. And I honestly am just, she is goals for me when it comes to sticker art. And then I'm going to combine it with some of the ink splatters from my shop. So we have the yellow as well as some of the autumn brown. Let's get started. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is probably put a few of these down. What I love about these being on the clear sticker paper is that it looks like, and the whole point of these was to look like they're ink splatters on your page without having to, oh boy, that's gonna be crinkly. Without having to deal with the, what am I trying to say? The bleed through of ink when you're doing it like that. And I've done it before where, you know, I've done the ink swatching like this on my own Hobonichi, and yes, there is bleed through, but at least this prevents that. But you still get the effect. There we go. Oh, I love that. And then I'll do a brown one in this corner. So instead of using washi, I am using these. Love it. Yeah, I'll put one here. Oh my gosh. What is with me in this particular sticker? There we go. All right. Then, let's see, there are 6 stickers here, and I think 2 or 3 I will use in my Hobonichi weeks. But let's use this one. I wanted to use the gold or the yellow inks to match with the kind of yellow in here, and these are huge, and yeah, these are massive. So I'm going to do this thing where, oh, not that, grab my scissors, which are over here, and I'm going to, how do I want to cut? Just cut it like that. And then I'm going to place part of that sticker up here. And if you guys remember me from my Happy Planner days, I was a big fan of cutting stickers, just because what a great way to still be able to use the whole sticker and not waste it, because it's such a gorgeous sticker. You know, so why not use it in as many places possible? Let's use this one, and just put it down. Yeah, there we go. And then probably this one down here. Although, actually, I like this one better up here. And then we'll see what I'm gonna do with these, if I'm actually going to go ahead and use them. But this one looks so lonely. So maybe I'll just put these together. Oh, I like that. Okay, so what pen am I gonna use? I actually really am liking the mix that I put in here, although there isn't a lot of it left. It was, yeah, there's really not much of it left. It was the Pannonia and Amarillo mix that I created, but I'm wondering if there's another one that I could use, or just use my new pen. This currently has Birmingham Penco projector film, which kind of matches with that dusty pinky brown there. So we'll go ahead and use that. And, and let me just see here. So first thing we'll do is write down sleep. And my sleep has thankfully been a bit better Although there was one night earlier this week where I had just started getting back into weight training and my whole body was so sore that I could not get into any type of comfortable position when sleeping. And then work out. So I'll write these in as I go, but I've started to slowly get back into weight training. And I mean, if anybody does Beachbody, or what do they call it now? Body, B-O-D-I. I am doing the weight training workouts from 10 rounds because they're only half an hour, and then I could still do my mini stepper workout and still get that all in there. Not that you asked, but I thought I'd say. Okay, then at the bottom here, I'm gonna write the word meals. And I was speaking to my friend Adrian today about, you know, the fact that I still do weigh in every week at Weight Watchers, but I don't track as diligently as I used to before COVID. And totally off tangent, but part of that was also, I think, that the struggle that I had with maintaining the weight that I was back then, but not having the best relationship with food. Oh, there's Lucy, she wants to come in. What was I saying? But yeah, my relationship with tracking food and trying to maintain my weight was not always the healthiest, and I didn't want to, for example, get mad at my husband for bringing me home a treat in the middle of the week, and instead of, you know, being grateful for that, getting mad at him because it wasn't within my plan. Anyway, all right, so putting in my work shifts, and I don't normally work Fridays, and Thursday I booked as vacation, because technically in Canada I wouldn't have to work the day, but because our call center is closed, I booked it off as PTO. So it's a very short week for me next week, which I'm very happy about. So let's go into the day today. So Monday, I will have to meal plan, order groceries. There's also a whole bunch of prep that I will need to do because I will be doing a Black Friday sale. The theme for my Black Friday sale will be basically planner setup. So my custom names will be on sale. My month script stickers will be on sale. My floral letters, which I will also release as monochrome, will be on sale. But I'll get more. Well, will I get more into that? No, just follow me on Instagram, or I'll actually make a post on YouTube as well with all of those details. So let us get my icons. And I always get asked this, but this sticker album is from According to Allie, and she has a few different designs, but also 2 different sizes. And I love them for holding all of the stickers. So then Tuesday, well, Tuesday's not garbage day, Wednesday is garbage day, but Tuesday is when we put out all of the garbage. Put out garbage. Then nothing on Wednesday. 23rd, they're, oh my gosh, having kids go to 2 different schools, and obviously the schools, because they're in the same district, are going to be doing their parent-teacher interviews on the same day. Go figure. So Robin's at her school is from, sorry, I'm just looking for my tweezers. Where did you go? I can feel them. I can feel them. There. So, and Robin, since she's in junior high now, I had to book 4 different teachers for her to go see. So, parent-teacher interviews for Robin. which I think are 2:10 to 3 o'clock, because there's 4 different teachers that we have to see. And then for Henry, ooh, don't smudge. It's pretty much immediately after 3:45. But it actually worked out that I have that day off. So, okay, perfect. Then groceries. My husband will pick up groceries that evening, or after that, I could, so 3:45, we could pick up groceries at 4:30. Yeah, I think we could, I feel like it's pushing it. No, we'll do it. I'll order groceries so that we can pick them up between 5 and 5:30. So that way my husband doesn't have to worry about it on his way home. Perfect. And then Friday, do we have, my daughter's friend is sleeping over, so nothing major, but me, fold laundry, as always, because, you know, I live the life on a Friday night, fold laundry. And I know there's other things that I missed, so let's see. We'll go for boba, grocery bag, cleaning, scale. Okay. And so that morning I will be going to Weight Watchers, making sure I'm still recording. So, and honestly, I also go to the weekly workshops just to socialize. And then after that, I am going to do some filming. So I will film, there's a few videos that I will need to film, like, now I'm debating how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna film my cousin, which I always do. And there are, my brain's going off in a tangent here. I'm looking towards my monthly spread where I keep track of my social media. I'll have to edit. Okay, no, I will make it work. I will make it work somehow. Okay, no plans on the Saturday, which I will probably actually do the cleaning on the Saturday just to make things easier. So when it comes to cleaning, it'll be the usual bathrooms. And my husband does the vacuuming. And then Henry goes around to get all the garbage bins. And then my husband also does the windows. And then my daughter really should do the mopping. And then Henry, and then we'll get him to do some dusting as well. But I also have to wash the bed linens. Or is that this weekend? Either way, I will do them. And then Henry does not have Ninja. Oh, if Henry doesn't have Ninja on the Sunday, then we can go to church on the Sunday. So, let's see. I am all over the place, but such is my life and my playing with me's. All over the place. But again, I feel like we're all like this. We curate our Instagram to look a certain way, and we curate our lives to look a certain way on social media, whereas my YouTube videos, I hardly edit these. If anything, you know, if I edit anything, it'll just be, you know, to speed through something. It's not for the purpose of editing anything out. What am I doing? Oh boy. Yo, church. I had a heart icon and then I don't know where it went, so instead we'll just use the clock. So then we can go to church at 11:30. Okay, so that is all that I need to put in there. So based on that, oops, is there anything else that I would add in here decoration wise? Because I still have, I think, one other sticker that I could put in here from Allie. And maybe, or do, I feel like I could put something here. Do you know what I mean? And maybe, I don't feel like that would match in particularly well. Like this would, but I feel like that's so big. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. And then the other half is gonna go in my Hobonichi weeks. There we go. Oh, I like that. Or I could actually put the other half right here, but then I'd end up covering that. Let's do this. Oh, cut that in half again. And I think I'm gonna do, is there enough yellow? No, I like the yellow, so let's do that. Put a little yellow on both sides here. And then I can put Allie's sticker on top. Oh, I like that already. And then, gosh, if my MacBook is starting to power up in the background. There we go. Oh, I like that so much. All right, so that is it for me. Oh, thank you guys for listening to me ramble about, I feel like part of the plan with me is for you guys to listen to how I try and organize my life. And I appreciate you staying for that. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.